Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we'll talk about MDMS seats for both diploma and degree courses state-wise, how many seats are recognized and how many seats are permitted. Totally how many seats are there? Seats are keep on increasing, so that's good news for all the candidates who are preparing for NEET PG 2021. Before that, you can subscribe to our channel, and it's a good platform for NEET PG 2021 counseling and all the details that you are looking for. You can have a look at our description where we have given a link for Telegram group. You can join it. You can purchase ebooks and you can avail our paid services. To avail paid service, you can call us on 9319 128677. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Totally we have 38,180 seats in MSMD so far as on date. Out of them, MDMS seats, if you talk about recognized, 32,607, and there are 4,661 seats are permitted. PG diploma, 864 seats are recognized and 48 seats are permitted. So as we are progressing each year, the number of PG diploma seats keep on reducing and they are getting converted into MDMS. So this PG diploma is different than NB diploma that got launched in this year, and it will be the first time its counseling will be happening. So let's see MD seats, particularly how many MD seats are there and out of how many recognized and permitted. When it comes to do the choice filling, first you need to select the recognized colleges, because permitted seats are those which are new entries and over a period of 2 years, 3 years, they get recognized after fulfilling all the criteria, all the verification and everything. So whenever the seats get added to particular college or new college gets opened for PG courses, the seats will be permitted. And if you have completed your degree from permitted seat, then as long as the seat doesn't get recognized or the course doesn't get recognized, you have to practice in the semester. That's the limitation. So always go for recognized seat first and then permitted. It doesn't happen that some of the any seat which is permitted initially doesn't get recognized. Very rarely it happens. So let's get started. In Andhra Pradesh, totally there are 1411 MD seats. Out of 1190 are recognized and 221 are permitted. In Assam, there are 425 seats total, and out of that 321 are recognized and 104 are permitted. In Bihar, 482 seats are there. Out of it, 359 are recognized and 123 are permitted. In Chandigarh, there are 301 seats and 297 are recognized and 4 are permitted. These all permitted sets says in last 2-3 years these many seats are added. In Chhattisgarh, there are 244 MD seats, 168 are recognized and 56 are permitted. In Delhi, 1293 seats are there for MD course, 1237 are recognized and 56 are permitted. In Goa, there are totally 89 MD seats and all are recognized. It means in last few years they haven't increased the seats. In Gujarat, there are 1311 seats. Out of that, 1207 seats are recognized and 104 are permitted. In Haryana, there are 380 seats, 309 are recognized and 71 are permitted. In Himachal Pradesh, there are 188 seats, 123 are recognized and 55 are permitted. In Jammu and Kashmir, there are 304 seats, 269 are recognized and 35 are permitted. In Jharkhand, there are 135 seats, 132 are recognized and 3 are permitted. In Karnataka, huge number of MD seats are there, 335 seats are there, and out of that 2778 are recognized and 557 are permitted. In Kerala, there are 899 seats, 833 are recognized and 66 are permitted. In Maharashtra, there are 2974 seats, Out of that, 2,669 seats are recognized and 325 seats are permitted. In MP, there are 962 seats, 827 seats are recognized and 135 are permitted. In Manipur, there are 119 seats. Out of it, 106 are recognized and 13 are permitted. In Meghalaya, there are 23 seats, 14 are recognized and 9 are permitted. In Odisha, there are 488 seats. Out of it, 484 are recognized and 4 are permitted. In Pondicherry, there are 485 seats, 444 are recognized and 41 are permitted. When it comes to Punjab, there are totally 439 empty seats, 409 are recognized and 30 are permitted. In Rajasthan, there are 1,269 empty seats, and out of it, 1,332 are recognized and 137 are permitted. Sikkim has 18 seats, all are recognized. Tamil Nadu has got 2,160 empty seats, 1,798 seats are recognized and 362 are permitted. Telangana, there are 1,369 total empty seats, 1,122 seats are recognized and 274 are permitted. In Tripura, we have 56 seats, 38 are recognized and 18 are permitted. In UP, 1,671 seats are there, and out of it, 1,354 are recognized and 317 are permitted. In Uttarakhand, there are 749 seats, and out of it, 726 are recognized and 23 are permitted. In West Bengal, 935 seats are there, 808 are recognized and 127 are permitted. So these were the description as per the official website of NMC, how many empty seats state-wise, and out of it, how many seats are recognized and permitted. Let's now move over to MS seats. So when we talk about Andhra Pradesh, there are 797 seats totally. 713 are recognized and 84 are permitted. In Assam, there are 238 seats, 179 are recognized and 59 are permitted. In Bihar, there are 319 seats, 249 are recognized and 70 are permitted. In Chandigarh, there are 155 seats, total all seats are recognized. In Chhattisgarh, there are 101 seats, 88 are recognized and 13 are permitted. In Delhi, there are 650 seats, 631 recognized and 19 are permitted. In Goa, there are 28 seats, all are recognized. Gujarat has got 675 MS seat, and out of it, 652 are recognized and 42 are permitted. Haryana has got 156 seats, 130 are recognized and 26 are permitted. Himachal Pradesh has got 110 seats, 79 are recognized and 31 are permitted. Jammu Kashmir, 215 seats are there, 202 are recognized and 13 are permitted. Jharkhand, there are 66, 58 are permitted, 58 are recognized and 2 are permitted. Karnataka has got 1,607 seats, out of it 1,433 are recognized and 174 are permitted. Kerala has got 434 seats, 411 are recognized and 23 are permitted. So you can pause the screen because the video is going to be lengthy. So I will read out for major states. Maharashtra, 1,571 seats for MS and the heading says MD, but it is for MS. 1,422 seats are recognized and 149 are permitted. In MP, 520 seats are there totally for MS. Out of it, 462 are recognized and 58 are permitted. Pondicherry has got 251 seats. Out of 251, 232 are recognized and 19 are permitted. Odisha, closed state, 266 MS seats are there. Out of it, 262 are recognized and 4 are permitted. Coming to Rajasthan, 568 seats are there, 519 are recognized and 41 are permitted. Tamil Nadu has got 1,319 seats totally for MS and 1,069 are recognized and 250 are permitted. 680 seats for MS. In Telangana, 580 are recognized and 100 are permitted. UP has got 862 seats for MS and 724 are recognized and 138 are permitted. West Bengal has got 517 seats. It's open state, 489 recognized and 13 are permitted. Uttarakhand, there are 311 seats, 302 are permitted, recognized and 9 are permitted. So this is all description for all MSMD courses. It's good to have all these information, so you know how many seats are available in which branch in particular state, including government and private. So it will give you an idea what your target should be, and will give you motivation as well, that you have these many seats and you are going to get one of it. So this is just MSMD seats, diploma and degree course. There are the seats in DNB and 2 years PG diploma seat, 2 years NB diploma, CPS and CPS. So there are other options, we'll be talking in separate video. So that's it from my side in this video. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye.